Doing today, I'm going to be taking you over the Upton pit tips, the old pit tips. The pit closed, this is a coal pit, we're on about coal mine, closed in the 1960s I think. So this is anyway, we're going to fly over the tips and show you about there. So we're just going to take off.
The home port has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's not too windy today. This is the pit tips that you're looking at here. I'll just wind the camera down a bit. So this is the tips themselves. If I go up a little bit and get a better view. This is about a quarter of a mile away. And we're going down the other end of the village at this. If this video quality that I'm streaming isn't that good, what I'll do...
Maximum flight altitude reached.
What I'll do is I will upload the recorded video that I've got on the actual drone itself. But anyway, this is down the other end of the village. And we're just going to turn round.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Oh, do shut up. So this is looking back over the pit tips.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Let's come down a little bit. There we go. And we're at the top of that screen. That's where I'm living. That's where I'm shouting you from, if you like. If we come down a bit here, look. The lake that you can see there, look, in the foreground, at the top of the picture. I'll just fly over it. This is a fishing lake. And during the summer, we like to go walking all around this. It's a lovely walk. It's to walk all the way around it is about 2 miles. Not the lake, but the tips themselves. So there's competitions there during the summer. As you can see. It's lovely, believe it or not. Take a look round here. That's the village. And I'm just coming back over where I am. And I'm more or less in the middle of the picture now. Can you see me there? It's looking straight down at me. I can hear myself coming. So if I press home, it'll come home now.
Go home. Landing.
And that's my mum coming back in from shopping. There we are, just landing.